right. Yeah, I'm using Chief Architect X12 Premiere, but the text is programmed the same in Architectural Suite, Ozona Pro, and Chief Premiere, so forth. So if you want to go to rich text, I've got my default set at 6 inches, and where is it? There it is. At 6 inches at the level I was zoomed out. It's really small. But anyway, there it is. Now, if you want to change it, you just open the dialog box. But with rich text, you have to select it and then change it. It gets half as large. Select it, change the value, then click OK. And now it's twice as large. I'll do it again. This time I'll make it bold and underlined. So with text, with regular text, you go to the text style to change the font and the size and so forth, and you don't have to select anything. With rich text, you do. Now, if I change this to 12 and bold, and nothing happens because I didn't select it. Get the idea? With rich text, you have to open the dialog, select it, and then make your changes. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you, but whether it does or not, have a great day.